You need a hand to transport camping gear from your vehicle to pitch. We recommend this folding trolley ALF for weekend picnics, festivals, or holiday trips. Very compact when folded too, and has a solid removable base for inside the trolley so you can really fill it with all the things you need. The durable steel frame of this utility cart can hold up to 225 pounds worth of goods. It can be easily folded for convenient storage and carry. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Large capacity. Outside dimensions approximately 35.6 inches length by 19.1 inches width by 21.7 inches height. Size, inside, approximately 34 inches length by 18.5 inches width by 14 inches height. Folded dimensions, 12 inches length by 9 inches width by 30 inches height. Durable high-density polyester fabric is easily cleaned after use. Strong steel frame construction holds up to 225 pounds. Number 2. Quick setup and fold. No assembly required. Quick and easy setup in seconds with pushing the bottom. This utility wagon can fold compactly and store easily in your trunk, garage, or closet, ensuring easy transport. Number 3. Utility cart. The handle makes towing easy and oversized 7-inch wheels for traversing a variety of terrain. Ideal for use at sporting events, concerts, trips to the park, beach, or simply around the house. Number 4. Removable fabric. Wagon's fabric can be removed easily by twisting off 4 star-shaped screws on the corner, no tools required. Never worry about the stain on the wagon in daily use. Removable fabric makes it easy to clean. Number 5. 1YEAR manufacturer's warranty. We back our products with a full 1-year manufacturer's warranty against any defective workmanship and material. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Can you roll the wagon when it is folded up? Answer. The wagon can be rolled even it's folded. Question number 2. How long is the handle when fully extended? Answer. The handle is 27 inches when fully extended. Question number 3. Can the wheels be changed out to larger wheels? Answer. The wheels can't be changed to large wheels. 7-inch wheels fit this wagon. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.